Montevalle Health and Wellness Resort is located in Valle de Guadalupe, Ensenada, just 1 hour and a half from the Tijuana and San Diego border. Montevalle provides an exclusive and calm space for people seeking to detox, boost, and restore their health through the most comprehensive therapeutic protocols.
We have therapies, alternative therapies for this intoxication, for rejuvenation, for restoration of health. And with that, we have many amenities, and we have our villas ready to, so you can stay there, and we have our pool and our spa. And of course, everything is oriented to your health and wellness. And also here in the restaurant, of course, we have our restaurant with a specific menu with healthy food, organic food, mostly based on plant-based for the foods. And we think that anybody coming here is going to enjoy everything that we have to offer.
And let me tell you that treatment, food, and all the amenities are included in the package you choose and personalized by a doctor depending on what you need.
Whenever you come here, you're going to get an evaluation by our doctor inside, and then he'll provide you with a schedule in which he'll tell you which treatments are the best for your health, depending on whichever ailment you may have, or you know, you're strained, or you're stressed, or you can't sleep, or whatever. We have many different treatments, many different ways to treat each one of them. The doctor will talk to you, he'll give you a schedule, he'll give you some recommendations, then the nurses will start doing those treatments, and then you can go to our pool, to jacuzzi, you can go on our meditation walk, you can go on a reflexology path, you can go around and walk around all the trails that we have around. You can go to the vineyard. I mean, there's a lot of options, all, you know, taking advantage of what the Valle de Guadalupe has to offer, the climate and the land and the beauty of it. So that's what Montevalle offers, the whole experience, starting with the doctors, getting with the treatments, getting healthy food, getting healthy drinks, and then enjoying just the place and everything.
Montevalle Health and Wellness Resort, it's beautiful, surrounded by landscape, lavender flowers, olive trees. It's the perfect place to reconnect with yourself and achieve a healthier, more vibrant life.
Just we want to invite you to go to our page, montevalle.com, and you can see our packages there. You can see the different options. You can see the pictures of the amenities that we have, our villas. We have different kind of villas also, different treatments. So just check it out, and you'll see what's best for you, and come and visit us.
Thank you, Montevalle Health and Wellness Resort, for such a wonderful experience. A place where stress and toxins will go away, leaving room for vitality and tranquility. You definitely need to come and live the experience yourself.